Hi, I'm Mansi and this is day 37 of my CAT preparation journey. So as usual, I started my day with solving reading comprehensions where I solved two RCs just to warm up. After that, today I gave two sectionals, one of VRC and one of LIDI. So starting with VRC, it didn't go as well as I wanted. So basically I tried to attempt 3 RCs today, but I wasn't able to manage my time properly, so I had to miss out on a few VA questions. So in total I attempted 15 questions and 9 got correct. So I scored 24, no 23, not too bad, but I know I need to work a lot more on the speed. Accuracy is fine, but speed is what's holding me back right now. So the time management is definitely going to be my focus now. So in LIDI, this section was okay, not that great. I managed to solve just 1.5 set. The issue was the time again. One set took me almost 30 minutes, and the fun part is while solving you keep feeling like okay, this is going to get solved, and you just keep going deeper without realizing how much time has already passed. That's exactly what happened with me today. After the sectional, I went back and solved the remaining sets, but overall it took a lot of time. But सेट्स वेर ईजी, मतलब सेट मैं सॉल्व कर सकती थी, लेकिन मैंने एक पे ही इतना टाइम वेस्ट किया. ओके, आई रिमेंबर दिस मिस्टेक. डेफिनेटली a lesson learned here. I need to set strict time limits per set and move on if it's dragging too long. So yeah, now coming to the quant, I had planned to focus more on algebra today, but honestly I didn't get as much time as I wanted, so still managed to watch some concept builder videos. I have started algebra from the basics again because I really want to strengthen my fundamentals. My plan is to practice a lot because I know I have to make quant one of my strong section, and I need to work on quant section right now. If I want overall improvement, then quant must have to be strong. So yeah, in the evening I attended a live lecture on quant where we solved where we solved some questions of number systems, which was quite okay. So yeah, that was pretty much my day 37. Not the most productive in learning, but yeah, I feel like I picked up some important lessons about speed and time management. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.